My name is Mirwais Azizi. I'm the owner of Crescent Moon Bakery on Central Avenue, which is our trademark football pizza. We've been open since 2000. Our customers are very happy with us. Every pizza come from the oven is good, or dough from scratch. The reason we're very popular because of our meat. We get our meat fresh and we spice it ourselves, and our pizza sauce, we got our own recipe. We come up with it 17 years ago. We're known for our pizza, football pizza. Nobody has it, we're the only one. Also, we're very excited this year for 2016. Our frozen pizza, it came to grocery stores as a football pizza.
Football Pizza has the best chicken wings. The tandoori chicken wings are amazing. It's fun to come here on Sundays and Saturdays. You always got the game going. It's a really cool atmosphere, cool college environment.
Great service. You come in and it's a very friendly environment.
I like coming here because it has a good variety of different foods, and I love their football pizza.
The owners are really friendly. I like them a lot, and I like the chicken pizza.
This is the greatest food. That's why we are always here.
Pretty much every time I order the same thing. I add chicken to my veggie and I get the house special. They're both really awesome.
And they've got the green sauce, which you can put on it, make it a little bit spicier.
I think the football pizza is probably the best in Minneapolis.
I came here from Canada just for the pizza.
This is our Como location. Recently we remodeled, since it's in the campus near the University of Minnesota. We give it this sporty look. We're also hosting a lot of parties here, groups of 50 up to 60 people, anniversaries, birthdays, and after 9:30, people book the entire place, and we cater their food here, and we facilitate them with sound system, with the stage, with everything, and people are loving it.
And I'm here with my father, Azizi. He's the one taught me everything. My trademark and my family trademark. We work really hard on this, and we have two locations, one on Central Avenue, one on Como. They're welcome to come anytime and enjoy the best pizza in Minnesota. This is our banquet hall. This place is booked always on Friday, Saturday, Sunday. We're doing really good on this one too. They give us a lot of stars, 5 stars, and we really appreciate every single one of our customers.
Best Pizza Minnesota 2016!